like, yes, that foundation is so good. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I just woke up. It's early in the morning, but it is Wear Test Wednesday, and today we're going to be trying out the COVERGIRL VITALIST Healthy Elixir. If you're new here to my channel, hello, my name is Delana. Every Wednesday I try out new products and I test the wear time on them, whether I've worn them before or whether they're a new product for me. We're giving them a run. We're going to see how they last. I've heard a lot about this foundation from the beauty guru, Raw Beauty Christie. I freaking love her. She is so funny and she talks about this foundation all the time. She loves it so much because she has dry skin and she feels like it stays really, really well on her skin. She's gotten other people hooked on it, and so I was like, I need to try out that foundation. Now, I don't have dry skin. I'm normal to dry, and recently my skin has been on the drier side right now. I just put a bunch of moisturizer on, which is why I'm like glowing right now. But yeah, I wanted to try this guy out. I got it at CVS and it retails for $12.99 at CVS. It looks like it's closer to like $10 at Walmart and some other places. Oh, it says it's $8 at Target, so you can definitely save some money depending on where you shop. However, CVS did have a coupon for, what was it? It was like $3 off a $12 purchase, so I got this foundation and this foundation from COVERGIRL, which I'll be doing next, the COVERGIRL Outlast All Day Stay Fabulous foundation. It's supposed to be really, really long wearing, but I got both of those, and then I also had a $3 off, like a CVS cash or whatever. So putting both of those together, which these both retail around $10, $12 each, it came out to be like 17 something total, which is pretty good. So, however, I feel like you could have just gotten the same price on that if you had just gone to like Target or Walmart or something like that. Let's read the description on this. It says, hydrate your skin while keeping it looking flawless with COVERGIRL VITALIST Healthy Elixir Foundation. Finally, a hydrating, vitamin-infused formula for beautiful, buildable coverage that glides on smoothly for a flawless look. This liquid foundation is infused with vitamins E, B3, B5, and SPF 20, plus a special oxidant and vitamin complex. Give your skin a healthy and luminous glow, part of our VITALIST Healthy Elixir family. How to apply: using a disposable sponge, wedge, or clean fingertips. Dab a small amount of foundation on the center of your cheeks. Blend outwards towards the edges of the face, concentrating on uneven areas and decreasing intensity towards the hairline. So it does recommend applying it with a sponge. I was going to apply it with a brush today, but I'm gonna go dampen my beauty blender since it recommends applying it with a sponge, so I'll be right back. Alright, so I zoomed you guys in a little bit closer. I have the shade Ivory, which at the place that I went at CVS, it was the lightest shade, but they may have a more extensive shade range online or at other stores. So let's try it out. I'm going to pump it onto my little tray here. I'm so excited to try this. Alright, I did about 2.5 pumps, and I'm just going to take my beauty blender. Oh yeah, I need to do primer on one side of my face at least. Recently I've been using the Tatcha Silk Canvas, just kind of trying it out, and I have really actually been liking it a lot. So let me apply that to the left side of my face. Alright, so here goes nothing. So just like they said, I'm starting in the center of the face. Oh yeah, that's a really good color for me. So far, I'm absolutely loving the texture of it. So nice. Definitely like a true medium coverage. Doesn't seem like it's gonna be a super full coverage. I'm gonna do another pump. Build it up just a little bit more on like my cheek area here. I'm liking the texture of it. It doesn't look absolutely perfect and amazing. Like, I feel like I have had foundation sit nicer on my skin, but it doesn't look bad. Not bad by any means. It actually looks really, really freaking nice, but being like microscopic and being like super, super picky about it, I have had foundations that look better. If you follow me on Instagram, I don't think anything's going to beat the magical concoction that I love so much right now, which is my All Hours foundation and my Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation mixed together, and it is just like perfect and amazing. It lasts perfectly throughout the day. I don't even put powder on it, and it's freaking my holy grail right now. So I am a little bit biased because I'm comparing it to that, because that's what I've been wearing, but like comparing it to other drugstore foundations, which would be a more fair comparison, it looks really, really nice. So here is how everything is looking right now. I'm gonna go and apply the rest of my makeup, and I will see you guys in my next check-in. Let's see how this lasts throughout the day, if it falls apart, or maybe this is our new holy grail. Just like Rob Beauty Christie says, it could be. It could be. Let's find out. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, you guys, so I just got off work and I am really, really liking this foundation. It's still looking super skin-like. I feel like I've lost a little bit of coverage around my nose area, like right in here. You can kind of see some redness peeking through, but it still looks very, very skin-like, still looks very smooth. My lashes are just being weird today. Yeah, I feel like it's not my favorite thing in the world. Like, it feels a little bit heavy, and I feel like that's just because of the hydration that it offers your skin. It definitely kind of has that heavier feeling to it because it's infusing a lot of hydration into your skin. For me, in this hot weather in Texas, I'm not sure that it would be my first foundation that I would reach for, but for this being a basically $8 foundation, it's not bad. It's pretty good, actually. It is almost 6:30 right now, so this foundation has been on for at least 9 hours. So it looks really, really freaking good for 10 hours of wear so far, and we have a couple more hours to go at least. So all right, you guys, so I have ripped off my lashes already. It is not the end of the day. It's only like 8:30 right now, but it is the end of my makeup day. I am going to have a little pamper night. I'm gonna put a face mask on. I'm gonna wash all this off. So I am closing out this wear test right now. So I am now looking at this foundation, and it has faded, but it hasn't gotten like patchy or weird or anything. So I don't feel like my concealer has lasted as well as it does with other foundation. It's so cold in here. It's so cold. With this foundation, I do feel like it has faded a little bit. On my forehead, it looks a little bit patchy. Like, I feel like it has started to break up and kind of bunch in certain places, but nothing that's super noticeable. This color was fine for me at first, but now it feels that it has dried down a little bit darker, which is totally fine. That's pretty normal, but it's definitely faded away on my chin, my jawline, but the overall texture of it is actually really nice. I don't really wear powder on my face anymore, other than like my bronzer and my blush and stuff like that, but I don't wear setting powder on my face anymore except for on my under eyes. If you've been watching me, you know that already. And the fact that this lasts so well without any powder on it makes me really, really happy. It's just, I don't know, it's like, it's a nice foundation. I don't feel blown away by it, like the way that Rob Beauty Christie talks about it, and this is no shade to her. It's just like her experience and her opinions with the product, and that's totally fine. But like the way that she's hyped it up, I was like, oh yes, it's gonna be like a freaking holy grail. It's good. It's a good foundation, and especially for $12, it's really nice. But I don't feel like it's like, like, yes, that foundation was so good, you know? I just don't feel that way. I just feel very neutral about it. I'm just like, it's not bad, but it's not amazing. I've seen better. I've had better longevity, better overall performance. I don't know. Will I be reaching for it anytime soon? I don't feel like I'll be going out of my way for it anytime soon, but I'll definitely reach for it again. It's a good foundation. Oh, you know what it probably reminds me of? Dior Skin Star Foundation. This one is more hydrating, but this one has a very similar texture and consistency. So I feel like that's probably the most similar that I can think of, and looking at my collection. Yeah, I would say it's probably loosely a dupe of this guy right here. So I would recommend this foundation, especially if you have dry skin, because I can definitely feel that it adds a lot of hydration to it, which I think is really great, especially going into winter. I really feel that I'll probably be reaching for this guy several times throughout the winter and the fall whenever my skin starts to get more dry. I am ranting on, so I'm going to stop here. Make sure you leave a comment down below letting me know what products you would like to see me put to the test next, and I will be sure to get back to you. And make sure to check out some of my other videos right here before you leave, and I will see you all in Friday's video. Thanks for watching. Bye! I don't know. But not really a lot of, I can't really find like to put to, gotta say my sentence.